Welcome to Science Sketches, where we dive into the wonders of our universe. Today, we're unraveling the secrets of Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth that's been raging for centuries. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more cosmic adventures. The Great Red Spot was first observed in the 1600s, shortly after Galileo's telescope revealed Jupiter's moons. This swirling storm, visible even through small telescopes, has captured the imagination of scientists and stargazers alike. Over the years, the Great Red Spot has changed in size and color. Once large enough to fit 3 Earths, it has been shrinking and is now about 1.3 times the size of our planet. Scientists are still trying to understand why. Jupiter's atmosphere is a chaotic mix of hydrogen, helium, and trace gases. The Great Red Spot is powered by jet streams that move in opposite directions, creating a vortex that's both violent and mesmerizing. The Great Red Spot is a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. Like this video if you're fascinated by space, and subscribe to Science Sketches for more explorations.